Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y27 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. First of all, open your phone dialer. Go to contact panel if you are not here, choose the contact that you want to add this profile picture to, select edit, and now mark add picture to add it. And you have several options. You can open your camera and grab a photo right now. You can use your gallery to pick the photo that you want to apply, or you can choose some default illustration. Once you pick some illustration, you can also apply different preset. So let me go back and let me choose something from my gallery. For example, this one. Now customize it however you like. Mark choose and click on save to apply the change. And that's it. As you can see, photo is applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.